Hello and welcome to ARC Advisory Group Automation Studio. I'm Himanshu Shah, Senior Analyst with ARC Advisory Group. Today's topic is medium voltage AC drives global market. Joining me today is Anju Ajay Kumar, analyst and expert in this topic. Hi Anju, hope you are well. For the benefit of the audience, please tell us what is your area of expertise. Also, what are the common applications of medium voltage AC drives that would help the audience better understand the topic?
Thank you, Himanshu, and thank you to audience for listening today. My name is Anju, and I've been an analyst with ARC for more than 3 years now. Prior to this, I have worked with leading analyst firms for more than 7 years with a focus on various research areas cutting across power, battery energy storage, and discrete industries. So, coming on to today's topic of discussion, medium voltage AC drives. Medium voltage AC drive is a device which controls the speed of an electric motor by varying the voltage and the frequency of the power supplied to the AC motor. They are used to adapt the motor's speed to the actual need, thus optimizing the power consumption and reducing the CO2 emissions. It provides speed, motion, and torque control for equipment such as fans, pumps, conveyors, compressors, etc. They are widely applied in heavy industries such as mining, metals, electric power generation, cement and glass, and so on.
Thanks, Anju. Before we get into the details of this study, could you please tell us what is the scope of your market research study?
The AC drive segments covered in this study include 1 kV to 38 kV. The study scope classifies medium voltage AC drives by power ranges as shown in the table. Other segmentations covered include revenue category, motor voltage, region, industry, machinery, sales channel, and customer type.
Thanks, Anju. Medium voltage AC drives market has been very dynamic. What are the underlying drivers that have been critical for growth in this market?
There are many underlying drivers, and first one is energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is considered the most important contributor to global greenhouse gas reduction. Nearly 70% of all the industrial electrical energy usage goes in powering the electric motor. So, if we apply a AC drive to control the industrial motor, this will enable the motor to run more efficiently because it will only operate at the necessary speed that is required by the application. Apart from that, energy efficiency regulation and standards are gradually being intensified around the world, and this will also increase the adoption of AC drives. Second driver is retrofits and upgrades. In many developed countries, the industrial infrastructures are outdated. Controllers and other equipment in many of the existing facilities are out of date to a point that they can no longer be maintained or meet the current plant requirements. So, in process industries such as oil and gas, power plant, water and wastewater, many automation systems are nearing the end of their useful life. We expect significant investment will be made in the existing infrastructure, and thus this provides a major opportunity for medium voltage AC drive suppliers. And lastly, growth opportunities in emerging economies. There is significant market potential in emerging nations such as China, India, where the existing infrastructure cannot keep up with the rapid population and industrial growth. These economies are projected to witness better growth compared to other regions due to infrastructure investment and growing middle class population. Demand from these markets will lead to significant investment and provide suppliers with additional growth opportunities.
Thanks again, Anju. Could you tell us what trends are driving customers to increase their investments in medium voltage AC drives?
There are many, but I will focus on the major two trends. First one, connected machines and digitalization. As a trend of digitalization and Industry 4.0 accelerates, there is a growing demand for smart connected products. Even the drive technology is undergoing digitalization. The technologically advanced intelligent drives are acting like sensors and gather all the data from automation equipment and motor and transfer this data to cloud based technologies. This enables real time monitoring of the plant assets, which helps to predict any maintenance requirement or any possible error which is expected to happen. Secondly, COVID-19 is expected to increase the adoption of digital services like remote monitoring. Remote monitoring services is currently the need of the hour as COVID-19 pandemic led industrial lockdown and travel restrictions have affected the manufacturing operations worldwide. We expect that going forward there would be increasing demand for these services and suppliers will need to move from reactive services to more proactive collaboration with customers to improve product lifetime and ensure cost savings.
Thanks, Anju, for sharing your insight on medium voltage AC drives market. This concludes our presentation. If anyone in the audience has further questions or need additional information on this research report, please contact ARC Advisory Group's client manager, or you may contact Anju, who's the author of this report. Thank you.